down there. Okay. Get in. Yeah, feed the bird. Put it inside. More. Put it inside. No. More bread.
Jasmine, you feeding the birds? You wanna put more? Are you feeding the birds, you see? It's a more. It's a put more. Can you put more?
Can you put more?
They're hungry?
Yeah.
Can you put more? You feed them?
Yes.
They're hungry. Maybe they have a babies. They wanna eat?
Yeah.
Can you put some more?
No, we need to feed the baby.
Okay, can you put some more?
They're hungry and outside. We need to feed them. Come here.
Okay, put some more. Good job.